Let us take example 3 by 7 plus x gives 17 by 7. And answer will be 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7, which will again give 7 by 17 minus 3 is equal to 14 by 7. We can also check it by putting it here. Then 3 by 7, 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7 plus 14 by 7 will again be 17 by 7. So this is basically the topic of equations in one variable. There are more many examples, like if we take some complex root 3 x is equal to 6, then in such case we will get x equal to root 3. There is some way I think you don't know to solve this more further. We multiply the same quantity above and downside like this, and then we will get 6 root 3, and there is a rule that if the quantity here we multiply root by same another root number, we will get 3, and root 3 into root 3 will be 3, and 6 root 3, so this will be 2 root 3. This is the answer. This is the trick you should know. You will study in higher classes, but I am giving you, like if root x into root x, then this will give us x. Let us talk something about two variables. Yeah, it is not in syllabus, but we can study it. We can give you some knowledge about it. Like in some cases, we have two variables. Like there is a x plus y equal to 4, and another is 2x plus 3 equal to 5. If there are two variables, we need two equations to solve. This variable cannot be solved anytime by only one equation. We always need two equations. Similarly, we have three variables. Then we need three different equations to solve it. One or two are not sufficient. So if three conditions are given, then only we can solve it. But it is so higher mathematics, we can't need it. We should study two variable. Then to solve such type of equations, there are many methods, but most often primarily we used only one method. We just make any two variables equal, any two. Even if you make both x in both side equal or y both side equal. Like sorry, I have put here 3, we have put here y. Then suppose we are making this above side x equal, then we multiply this equation, whole equation by 2, like 2x plus 2y gives us 8. Here 2x plus 2y gives us 8. And the second equation we have 2x plus y equal to 5. This one is the second equation, this one is the first equation. So now we have to do nothing, we have to just subtract. Then while subtracting, 2x and 2x will be 0, and 2y minus y will be y, and here it is 8, 4 into 2 is 8, we will get 3. So we get 8 is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3, so y equal to 3 we get, and we just simply put this y equal to 3 in any of this one equation. Like if we put it in first equation, x plus y equal to 4, then we will put here y equal to 3, and x plus 3 equal to 4, and we will get it x equal to 1, and this will be the answer. Okay, let us solve some more two variable examples. Like we have some equation 3y plus 6 is equal to 2, and this is one variable equation. We can easily solve it. Like 3y equal to 4, 6 will move here, and minus 6, and it will be minus 4. So y equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, then one another some complex example, like 17 by 4 minus x will give us 2 by 4. Then minus x, here it is minus x, means we cannot change, this is the sign of x, we have to change here. Here it is plus, we will move it and it will be minus. Then 2 by 4 minus 17 by 4, we'll get minus x is equal to minus 15 by 4. Now these are the signs. These signs are of positive and negative. So there is some property like if there is a minus both side, we will multiply minus 1 both side. Multiplying minus 1, minus and minus gives us positive value. And there is a rule, if we do multiplication of plus into minus, we will get minus, not minus 1, we will get sign minus. If we do minus into minus, we will get plus. So on multiplying, minus minus becomes minus and minus will be plus, and x will be equal to, you write it here, 15 by 4, and this will be the answer. So now I am giving you some examples to practice about this, and we will solve one more two variable equation, so concept will be more clear, like x plus 2y equal to 5, and x plus 6y equal to 9. Then first step to solve is make any two variable equal. Here it is already given two variables are already equal. So we will subtract it. On subtracting we will get here 0, here minus 4y, and here minus 4. As I taught you, we will multiply minus 1 both side. There will be 4 and y equal to 1. We will put this value of y in first equation. You can put in any equation, first or second, but we are just putting in 1. Then x plus here 2 1 equal to 5 will give x equal to 3. So we have x equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Okay, we are I am giving you some examples to practice on this concept. Let us take some examples. First is 3x equal to 9. Second is root 3y equal to 10. I have showed you the method to solve the roots. On multiplying root 3 into root 3, we will get again 3. Just take it as a hint. Third, I am giving 13 by 4 equal to x minus 2. LHS and RHS doesn't matter. Just changing side, you have to put minus. That is the rule. And fourth is we are taking some complex one, root 3 by 2 root 3 suppose, upon 4 equal to y minus 2. It is somehow complex, but you can take it as a challenge. And fifth is 5y equal to 9 plus 9 plus root 2. This is also, these two examples are somehow complex, but you can practice it. I will give also the solutions of it, but just try it. And I think the two variable concept is still not clear that much, so we are taking one more example to give you explanation of two variables. X plus 3y is equal to 4, and the second one is second equation is 2x plus y equal to 3. And first step is to make variables equal. So to make them, here is 2x, here is x, so we are multiplying here 2. On multiplying, you have to multiply this 2 in whole equation. So multiplication will be 2x, 2 3 are 6y, and 4 2 are 8. And the second is 2x plus y equal to 3. This one. So on subtracting, we will get 2x will cancel. Here we will get 5y, and here we will get 5. So 5y equal to 5, and y will be 1. This will be answer, y1. And now we will put this y in any of this equation. You can put in first, you can put in second. Let us take, we are putting in second. Then suppose I need some space here, so I'm doing it. We got y equal to 1. Just remember it. Then 2x plus y equal to 3, y1. Then 2x plus 1 equal to 3. X will be also here 1. As you can see here, it will 2 and 1. X equal to 1 and y equal to 1. This is the solution of this equation. Okay. Let us take two questions as a homework. I am giving you two equations to solve. 2x plus y equal to 10 and 3x plus uh, y equal to 5. Uh, Here give me value of x and value of y. Find me these values. And second, give me 5x plus y equal to 8 and 6x plus 2y equal to 3. This take it as a homework, and we are going to discuss some concepts here now, basic tricks of maths. And first, I should give you some sign tricks. Like we have many signs, positive and negative. On number line, we know that values of this side of 0 is positive, like 1, 2, 3, and this side we have negative values. So when we multiply two negative numbers, like negative number into negative number, then in answer we will get a positive number. On multiplying one negative and one positive number, we get negative number. And on multiplying positive and positive number, we know it always gives only positive number. For example, suppose we multiply this minus 3 into this 2. Minus 3 into 2 gives minus 6. And suppose we multiply this same minus 3 with minus 2. Then in such case, minus and minus becomes plus, and this 3 into 2 becomes 6. And it is a plus 6, and this is minus 6. Okay, then we are discussing second trick. Like if I don't think you are aware of the root numbers. We have some root numbers in mathematics, like root 3, root 4. If you don't know them, don't just think about what is this root or what is this sign. I'm giving you some trick to follow. If we multiply any root numbers like root 3 into 4, don't be confused in this. Just simply multiply the inner numbers into. We will get root 12. If there are same numbers, like we are multiplying root 3 into root 3, then this root will be cancelled and we will get 3. If different numbers, simply multiply, and if same number, then simply cancel these root signs and just put the number. One another trick I am going to give you, like if sometime we have numbers, we know multiplication, like 4 by 2 is equal to 2. But if there are some complex division, like 4 by 2 and this whole multiplication with 3 by 4, then how to solve it? Then we have to just multiply these two numbers and multiply these two numbers and put this above multiplication 4 into 4, and in below we have to do 3 into 2. Multiply these two numbers and put this above, and multiply these two number and put this below, and you will get answer 4 into 4 16, and 3 into 2 6. This will be answer. These are some tips to calculate complex mathematics. If we have another example like 2 by 3 upon 6 by 2, in such case just simply do this and do this. Then above side will be 2 into 2 and below side will be 6 into 3, which will give 4 by 18, which will give 4 by 8. Okay, then let me think any another trick if I could suggest you to calculate things, like one another trick in maths is we have to, if multiply numbers like some complex numbers, 44 into 22, 44 into 22 plus 22 into 66. Then there is a trick to multiply this type of number. If you see something common in such numbers, take that common thing outside and put this value here and this value here. You have to take that common thing outside and put these values inside. If there is some common number in multiplication on both sides, then 22, 44 plus 66 is 110. You can now simply multiply this 22 into 100. This is some another trick. Okay, then do the examples and enjoy learning maths. Don't feel like it is hard or tough. You need to do just practice and you will master the subject one day. Okay, thank you and have a very good day.